Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add admin to WhatsApp community. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to add admin to your WhatsApp community, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp app and then go to community section, and here select your community, then tap on three dots in the top right corner, tap on community info option. Once you have that, you have to make sure that you are already community admin or owner as I have. Now just select the person which you want to wish to add admin. As I'm going to add this one, just tap on it. And here you will get the make admin option. Just tap on that option and then select OK. Once you have that, the person will be setted or added as a community admin which you have. So that's how you can easily add admin to your WhatsApp community. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.